In this video, we're going to be making this simple rock. Now, it's just a cube subdivision surfaced and displaced, but it's pretty cool because it's simple and you can put it in your game, you can even sell it if someone would buy it, if it's unique, I guess. So anyways, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. So let's open a new file and now we can begin. So first, let's add a subdivision surface. Now you can go here and then add it usually manually, but there's this cool trick you can do if you didn't know. If you hold Control and a number of the subdivision level you want, so if you want, let's see, subdivision level 2, if you Control 2, it's gonna add it automatically. It's a hotkey that is pretty useful. So let's Control 6, we want it to be okay, so I guess you can't do Control 6. Control 5. Oh, wait. So Control 5, and there we go. So now let's shade smooth, and now we can begin. So add modifier, and then displace. And then now we got all this set up, and press new to do the bumpy thing. So now let's go down here. The textures property, the lowest one, change from image or movie to clouds. So now, there we go. Now you can use like noise or overall anything, but I get the best results out of the clouds, so we're gonna use this. So now let's go here and lower the strength and then the scale. You can go down here and adjust the size right here. I feel like we don't really need that big of a size since we don't want that much detail. So now you are done. This is there you go, your rock. Now the rest is, if you want it to be bigger, you can scale it, or you can like extrude it like this, and there we go. So yeah, go ahead. So you can make many variants. Yeah, there we go. Delete the seeds. So let's see. So I'll fill this, Shift C. There we go, we have a normal rock now. Okay, next let's add the materials. So go to material preview, select your rock, and then go to shading. So if you didn't know, I get my textures and HDRIs from a website called Polyhaven. It's free and there's many high quality textures and HDRIs. So now let's apply the texture that we downloaded. So press Control Shift T, but if this doesn't appear you need to go to edit preferences, add-ons, and then node wrangler. You need to make sure node wrangler is turned on or else it won't work. So now let's continue. Control Shift T, and then look for where your texture is safe. My one's right here, and I'm gonna use rock 1. Okay, so you can just drag select all of them and principled texture setup, and there we go, you got it set up. Now you might want to change this to object because UV is kind of weird, and this looks good but it's still kind of weird. That's because it's projecting from top to bottom, so we can change right here from flat to box, flat to box, flat to box, flat to box, just all of them, and there you have it. So overall, that's how you make rocks in Blender. Now there are more things you can do with this, you can add, but this is just a simple tutorial. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a like and maybe subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.